Torna su. Aspetta, sei nella mia squadra? Tira, fare, tira! Va bene, forza!
It's the final brain cell.
ambapo kwa hesabu zetu nyepesi kila kidume kinatakiwa kitoe milioni 1. Kwa hiyo inshallah yule ambaye yuko tayari, kidume ambacho kimejiandaa, basi kwa uwezo wa Allah na kiomba kidume hicho kisimame. Simama mwanamume mmoja jabbar wa kutoa milioni 1. Asimame, simama mwanamume mmoja. Allahu akbar, takbir, takbir. Kidume hicho hapo. Minal mu'minina rijal, ndio vitu kama hivi. Tumepata kidume kimoja alhamdulillah.
Seven things poor people do that the rich don't. Number 1, poor people watch TV and rich people read books. How many hours you spend in front of the TV, and when was the last fucking time you read a book? Number 2, poor people get paid based on time, rich people get paid based on results. Number 3, poor people, they blame others for their misfortunes. Rich people, we take responsibility for our own failures. Number 4, poor people focus on saving and rich people focus on investing. You know what? Don't drink that Starbucks coffee in the morning. Try to save a few dollars and here and there. Well, don't fly first class, fly economy. Always try to save a few dollars. Well, here's the thing. A penny saved is still a fucking penny. 5, poor people, they know it all. Rich people continuously to learn. Number 6, poor people believe that money is the root of all evil. Rich people, we believe that poverty is the root of all evil. You've heard of the saying, money is the root of all evil. No, lack of money is the root of all evil. I want you to look at the poorest neighborhoods. I want you to think about those areas. Crime, drug, problems, all kinds of issues. You see, in the history of mankind, no bank's been robbed by someone pulling up in a Rolls Royce. It is the survival, it's the lack of money that's causing the issue. Money itself is neutral. Money is like a tool. You can use it for good or you can use it for evil. It is all up to you. Number 7, Poor people, they have lottery mentality, and rich people, we have action mentality. You see, most people, they believe the only way to get rich is buying that lottery ticket. Even though they know that the chance of winning is slim to none, but they buy that fantasy. Hopefully, if I win, I'm gonna buy that house. I'm gonna quit that job. I'm gonna take that vacation. No, rich people have an action mentality. We believe if it's going to be, it is up to me. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna make myself successful.
Get there. Brett! Brett!
Like, do you love me? Do you love me not? Damn.